Let's do substitution into a formula. In the previous video we did substitution into an expression. So the same rules will apply here. I can give you one example. If let's say area of a rectangle is length times width. So this is a formula of area. So we need to know the area of a rectangle if let's say length is 4 centimeter and width is 2 centimeters. So then what you will do, we will use the same rules. We are going to replace this by the numbers that you are given. So area is length is 4 centimeters time width is 2 centimeters. So then area of rectangle will be 4 times 2, 8 centimeter squared. So the same way we can do the substitution in the formula as we did in the expressions. So let's do some more examples on that. So the first example that I have here, it is use the formula F equals to MA to calculate the force of an object when M is 10 kilograms and A is 3.2 meter per second squared. So what are the rules? Let me remind you. The first one, write down the formula. So let's first write down formula. We are given F is equal to MA. Then put the numbers in. So we need to put the numbers in. We need to replace the variables with the numbers that are given to us. So F will be equals to M. M will be replaced by 10. So this is 10 times A. A is 3.2. So when you simplify this will become 320. Then there is one decimal place, so this 0 is gone. So your answer is 32. So this is the value of F after the substitution. So we need to work out them in stages, not just in one go everything. I hope you understood this. Let me just remind you again. Write the formula, put the numbers in, then work out in stages using BODMAS rule or whatever the number applications are there. So let's do another example. So I have another example here. An equation of motion is V equals to U plus AT, where V is final velocity, U is initial velocity, A is acceleration and T is time. Calculate final velocity when we are given all these values here. Let's remember again what are the rules. The rules, write down the formula. So what formula is given to us? We will write it down first. It is V equals to U plus AT. So this is the formula. Then put the numbers in. So we are going to put the numbers in. We have V. We need to know the final velocity. Final velocity is V here. So we need the value of V. So U is the initial velocity which is given to us as 4 plus then you have A. A is 5.8. Then times T. T is 40 seconds. Now we have put the numbers in. Then work out in stages. Now we can see if we use BODMAS rule here. So we do not have any bracket here. Then we do not have any division here. What we have here, it is multiplication. So we will solve these two first. So 4 plus, when you multiply this comes out to be 232. Then we have only this operation of addition here. 4 plus 232, that is 236. So this is the answer that we get after the substitution. The final velocity is 236 after replacing the values here. So it's very simple if you do it step by step. If you will try to do all the calculations together, then you're gonna mix up somewhere. So let me remind you again the rules. Write down the formula, put the numbers in, then work out in stages. So although this was the very simple example, so you may get any kind of value here. It may be fraction, it may be whole number, decimal, but the rules that are applicable are same. So try to do step by step and let me know if there are any problems or you want to know more about this.